Earlier we learned Arabic vowels, which are called harakat in Arabic. These vowel symbols give the a, e and u sounds to consonants. Then we discussed longer versions of these vowels. After that we learned sukoon and shadda. And finally, in this video, we'll complete the discussion of Arabic diacritics by understanding the tanween. Tanween gives an, un and in sound to the last letter in the word. Tanween can be of three types. Tanween with the double fatha symbol is called fathatain, which gives an sound. Tanween with double kasra symbols is called kasratain and it produces in sound. And with two dammas, it's called dammatain and it gives un sound. In modern Arabic, these double vowels or tanween are only used with nouns and adjectives. These an, un, and in sounds play important role in specifying nouns in the nominative, accusative, and genitive cases. We will discuss grammatical cases later in the grammar section. Now, it's important to discuss three basic rules of tanween. Tanween is only placed on the last letter in a word. There's no concept of tanween at the mid or initial position of a word, like we see here in the words sayyaratun, sayyaratan, and sayyaratin. Tanween are combinations of respective short vowel and the letter noon with sukoon. That's called noon sakin. But we can't replace tanween with noon sakin in a word, and we can't write sayyaratun with noon sakin. The third rule is fathatain, that is tanween with fatha symbols, are always written with an extra alif, like here in the noun jidaran, also here in baban, kitaban. However, there are two exceptions to this rule of extra alif with fathatain. If the last letter of the word is ta marbuta, then the extra alif is not written. We have seen an example of this exception earlier in the word sayyaratan. And a few more examples are nafizatan, suratan. The second exception is if the word ends in the letter hamza and the second last letter is alif, then this extra alif is not written, like in this word sama'an. Now we go through all the letters with tanween. Ban, bun, bin, tan, tun, tin, tan, sun, thin, jan, jun, jin, han, hun, hin, khan, khun, khin, dan, dun, din, dan, dun, din, ran, run, rin, zan, zun, zin, san, sun, sin, shan, shun, shin, swan, sun, sin, don, dun, din, tuan, tun, tin, zon, dun, win, an, un, in, wan, wun, rin, fan, fun, fin, pan, kun, quin, kan, kun, kin, lan, lun, lin, man, mun, min, nan, nun, nin, wan, wun, win, han, hun, hin, an, un, in, yan, yun, yin,